Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and today's project has many titles and just thing on top of thing on top of thing. So I was not going to give up though. And the project is absolutely gorgeous and you guys will love the end result. But hopefully you learned from all of the issues I had with making this said piece so that you do not spend 2 weeks of your life trying to recreate this. All right guys, let's breathe. Enjoy this tutorial. It's rather hilarious. Have a wonderful day. Now let's just jump into it. A wood holder. We're gonna make it into a cake state, like a piece for like a cake table. It's gonna be a ton of fun. All right, so let's get this all apart and see if I can understand these instructions. Oh my gosh, this might be a 2-person job, maybe. Oh gosh, guys, this will be fun. All right, we're just gonna roll with it. I don't know what I'm doing. Now we've got to attach loops together using screw and nuts. Okay. Simple enough. Right, this one goes on the bottom because it needs to attach there. And this one also has a hole that needs to go on the bottom. Okay. This is ginormous. I did not expect it to be this big. This is going to be a statement piece for any kind of event. Holy buckets. Oh, shoot. Messed up. I did it! Oh my gosh, so it's a lot bigger than I had realized. Also, funny thing, my battery died halfway through making this and I was having problems. And I had more problems for probably, about a half an hour or so. And then I realized the instructions, the step-by-step worded instructions don't match the picture instructions. I was reading it and not really paying that much attention to the picture. So it originally says attach legs to leg supports, right? So you would think these are the legs, but oh no, you need to do the circle first and attach the very top part and then work your way down. So yeah, that was fun. So now, with the way my day is going, we'll see how this project goes. I have 2 cans of spray paint. We have gold spray paint. Hopefully, that's all I need. And I'm gonna snap my fingers and we're gonna really hope that this is gold. Okay, let's try that one more time. I'm gonna need a second can, and the mosquitoes are starting to eat me alive, so this is gonna have to pick up tomorrow. It's day 2. The sun is in my eyes, so I'm squinting. I have 2 more cans of spray paint, so hopefully that's all I need. We're gonna breathe, and we're going to put some beautiful garland on here. Depending on how that goes, we're gonna maybe add some foam blocks down at the bottom to build a base and bring it up around. And then we're gonna put our cake, our faux cake that we made on an earlier tutorial, smack dab in the middle. And then we're calling this done. The one thing to note about this, I don't think you guys can see it from the video, but the spray paint that I did use, when I did the second coat, it started to bubble up and create this texture that was not supposed to happen. But instead of me sanding it all down and starting over, I'm just gonna hide it with greenery and call it a day. I would suggest though, if you're going to spray paint this particular item, I will link to the wood holder that I picked up from Home Depot. Get a spray paint that is specifically for metal, probably actually automotive spray paint. If you can get your hands on something like that, it's going to hold much better. I found this out after the fact, after doing some research. One other thing to note, I am going to be using zip ties to attach my greenery onto this instead of using paddle wire. The zip ties you can, you just have a little bit more control. I do get them in the green so that it hides a little bit or blends in better, but whatever color works for you, works for me too. Okay, stop eating me alive. There we go. All right, let's get going, guys. You could also stem individual sprigs all the way through, but to be completely honest with y'all, I'm just done with this project. I'm ready to like finish it, call it a day, make it gorgeous, and move on to the next piece. So it's much quicker for me to use a garland instead of individual pieces of greenery, but we are gonna add some more greenery in to fill it in. We're also gonna add a few flowers at the end of this. But you're gonna trim off all the extra bits of cable ties. So these are great because they actually already have wires attached. Most of our flowers do not, but these do. This is the Mystic Moon. It's one of the larger flowers that we have. It's just perfect for this kind of project. Grabbed a piece of old flooring from the studio remodel. I'm just setting that right in this center. You could absolutely make something custom that fits perfectly. This will officially be known as the project that almost killed me. Oh yes, I almost had to hand in my crafty card. This one threw every left and right hook that it could to knock me down, but we prevailed. Oh yes, we did. Now, I would say for the size of this, that was one of my other things, like in my head, I thought it would be a little bit smaller. For a size like this, you're definitely gonna want some sort of amazing centerpiece. My cake is a little small, if we're being honest. I mean, it's gorgeous, or you could build up so that the cake sat up a lot higher. Maybe like a really cute like box in the middle or some sort of pillars. Super cute. You can do this. If I could do it after mumbling under my breath multiple times, you too can do this. Let's just be honest here. The next tutorial here at Oh You're Lovely is going to be a heck of a lot easier and not so, what's the word I'm looking for? Ambitious. If you are loving these tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to be updated whenever a new tutorial goes live, and to find out about the over 100 different sola wood flowers we carry, make sure to check out ohyourlovely.com. Until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys!